Ooh! Okay, minsan yan ang hirap no? Abrabadi, abrabada.
My Stupid Mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, so recording is on. Right, third song for today, March 15th edition of Tunog Lokal, live here at 89.5. My Subic Bay Radio. Here's Alto Prano.
My stupid mouth is got me in trouble. I said too much again. It's the date over there yesterday. I could say she was offended. She said, well, anyway, since dying for a subject change. Oh, it's not a social casualty. So one more for me. I forget. Mama said, think before speaking. No from turning my head. Oh, what's a boy to do? I guess I better find one soon. We bit our lips, should look out the window, rolling tiny balls of napkin paper. I played a quick game of chess with salt and pepper shaker. I could see clearly in a terrible line what was wrong between what was good and what left out and what went wrong. Oh, the way she feels around me has changed. Things to play and try again. How could I forget? Mama said, think before speaking. No from turning my head. Oh, what's a boy to do? Guess better find one. I'll never speak in the again if only hurts me. I'd rather be a man. Sorry that she deserves me. Oh, I'm never speaking up again. Starting now. Starting now. One more thing, wasn't my fault. So maybe I tried too hard, but it's all because of this desire. I just wanna be like, I just wanna be funny. Looks like the joke's on me. So call the captain backfire. I'll never speak in again. It only hurts me. I'd rather be a man. Sorry that she deserts me. Oh, I'm never speaking up again. I'm never speaking up again. I'm never speaking up again. Starting now. Starting now.
Ikaw pala yun. Kala ko kasama talaga.
Effects, parang may hangin dumadaan.
Nice. Galing.
Thanks so much.
My Stupid Mouth.
Oo nga naman. Alam mo talaga pagka John Mayer yung mga